Myself Bharat, and I am currently working in Oracle NetSuite as an associate software developer. Yeah, when I was in my second year, SmartInterviews came to my college to offer me training. So there I entered my first step into SmartInterviews. So it was a great experience for me. During my first and second years, I don't do much coding and I don't like to do it. But when SmartInterviews came to my college, I made coding as my hobby. After all the training sessions given by the instructors, and I went to rigorous practice sessions. So that made me to sit here. So my interview experience, if I can say so, it was a campus placement. For me, it was easy to medium level, and some hard level questions were also asked, but overall it was medium level interview. So for the first round, it happened around 1 hour 10 minutes. There they asked me mostly about my machine learning projects and data structures and algorithms. So the DSA was mainly focused on linked lists, trees and strings. Most of the questions were medium level only, and at the last they asked me time complexities of various algorithms and data structures. So I have answered almost 85 to 90% correctly. So I was shortlisted in the first round. In the second round was mostly about databases. As you know, Oracle, the databases are very familiar, and Oracle is the pioneer of databases. So they have gone through SQL and MongoDB. They asked me to write some subqueries, joins, basic queries in SQL, and then they asked me about B trees, B plus trees indexing, and that's all. So this round happened around 45 to 50 minutes. So I have answered mostly all correct except one question that is related to B trees. So the interview shortlisted me to the third round. And my third round happened around 40 minutes. It was focused on HR, managerial projects, mainly focused on my final year projects only. So the project round, if I want to say, it was somewhat harder only. Like they asked me to write some code for REST APIs and SOAP APIs, that's all. So in the third round, they asked some managerial questions related to SDLC and all. And they asked some HR level questions also. They checked my communication skills and all. There I was shortlisted. For some other people, it happened around 4 rounds. Yeah, SmartInterviews instructors trained me very well. Like as I said before my second year, I don't used to do coding and all. When SmartInterviews came, I myself set a roadmap, and SmartInterviews paved the way for me. SmartInterviews practice sessions for every month. We have one test, and I attempted it. And parallelly, I have done coding questions on various platforms like LeetCode, CodeForces, and all. I have attempted at least 1 or 2 code tests in a week. Yeah, great things will take time, right? If you join SmartInterviews, it won't take time. Yeah, please focus on placement related topics and questions other than the academics. Yeah, please take mandatory trainings and all. To be frank, to be in a product-based company, you need to not only go through the DSA, you need to also go through some other skill set, like either it is a cloud. If you take cloud, it will be Azure or AWS, and some full stack. You need to have some other specialization also along with DSA. But I can say DSA is mandatory. So in product-based companies interviews, if you don't know about DSA or you are unable to solve DSA questions, you will be wiped out in the first round itself. Yeah, to be honest, mine was a second tier MCET college, right? So my parents didn't expected a product-based company visit the college during the placement, so they felt very happy. I recommend SmartInterviews training to my juniors as well as my fellow buddies who are preparing for their placements. it's mandatory and it's required for all of you to crack any top product-based companies or any interview. It's mandatory. So with on your own you can solve only some DSA problem, but you need some kind of mentoring and instructions from the known people or who are very there in that field, right?